All right, example 2, what is the slope of the tangent line to the square root of x plus 1 at x equals 8? So if you watched the previous video, we're going to do something similar. I'll go a little bit faster here. So the slope of the tangent line will be the limit as h goes to 0 of. We are going to have to plug in, remember it's going to be, we're going to need to know what f of 8 plus h is. So that would be the square root of 8 plus h plus 1, which is the square root of 9 plus h. Just do this little scratch work off to the side. So square root of 9 plus h. And then f of 8 is, of course, just square root of 9, which is 3. So we have the limit as h goes to 0 of square root of 9 plus h minus 3 over h. So what we'll do now is, we've learned this technique before. We can go ahead and multiply by the conjugate. So multiply by root 9 plus h plus 3 over root 9 plus h plus 3. And then, since the two roots are in the numerator, we'll choose to FOIL the numerator and choose to just write the denominator as thing 1 times thing 2. Leave it as just two products next to each other. Don't actually bother multiplying it out. Just write it next to each other. And the reason why we want to do that is ultimately what's going to happen in the top is we're going to get an h, and we want that h to cancel here, where if we distribute this through, then it's going to kind of get lost. So don't do that. So this is a difference of squares in the numerator, so this should be 9 plus h minus 9. Of course, the 9's will cancel. And not only that, once the 9's are gone, we have h divided by h in the bottom, so we can, I'll do this in blue to show it's like step 2, cancellation. They cancel, and what we're left over with is really the limit as h goes to 0. We've got 1 left in the numerator, so 1 over root 9 plus h plus 3. Now, if we take the limit as h goes to 0, we have 1 over 3 plus 3, so 1/6 is the slope of the tangent line.